Hey guys, thanks for welcoming me in the group. My name is Joseph Graham. So a little bit about me and what you're looking at right now. I used to be in the oil field for a very long time. Okay, I was pretty much working out of Pittsburgh, and we'd go to West Virginia and whatnot. But anyways, I have an uncle and some family that live in Swarthmore, which is right here, like Southwest Philly. Okay, and they did foundation repair. So on my days off, I would help them out. Well, at the time, this was like maybe 2015-ish. They were using Home Advisor and Angie's List and all those guys, right? And they were getting charged a whole lot of money. And one other skill that I knew how to do was generate traffic. Okay, so I set one of these things up for him. I did my thing, and still to this day, it's all you see are these number one, little circles. And what that is, let's say someone's in Havertown, PA, right? These circles are the GMB map listings that appear like the top three. We appear number one in all these towns. So what I mean to say is like when someone's looking for foundation, of course, if they live in Havertown, it's gonna say near me, right? But if someone's looking for like foundation repair or like something related to that, we're gonna appear number one in these map listings. Because what I knew was whoever appears here first will get like most of the phone calls, right? They're just gonna call this person first because they think Google puts the best people in here. Which in our case, yeah, we were the best, still are. Old man doesn't do it anymore, but anyways, so these green circles represent, if someone in this area, even Cherry Hill, across the bridge, one, two, and three, we're getting displayed first across the board, all across this area, right? So yeah, like business started booming, right? But how did I do this? You're like, well, how did he do that? Oh, I'm gonna show you how I did this. I used to do the same work. I used to do this work. Not all the time. I had, you know what I mean? I was in the oil field too, but I mean, I knew how to do the foundation stuff, the drilling stuff and this stuff, right? So the first thing you do is you got to have a map listing, and that's these little things right here, right? The Google My Business. That's what these are. The little Google My Business listings. And then you have to run a bunch of citations to them. So when you have your name, address, and phone number on like a Facebook page, your business name, it has to be the same info on this. So like same name, same address, same phone number. And then if you do have a website, you want to add that too. So if you make a Facebook page with that, Facebook's going to give you a citation, right? Yelp, Yellow Pages. There's like literally hundreds of different places where you can get a citation. These are like business directories and these different sites, right? After that is building content on the website. So you want to have like a lot of authoritative content. We became the Wikipedia of crawl space. Like, let me just show you something. See, every time you type in something, Wikipedia always pops first. I don't know if y'all see that Wikipedia. So even if I type in beer, if I type in beer, Wikipedia is going to pop up first. If I type in driveway, Wikipedia. So, you know, I'm just kind of duplicating success. And what Wikipedia does is talk, I guess, like they have a lot of authoritative content, which this isn't much, but when you have a lot of authoritative content, like you go into depth on one topic, uh, these search engines like that, and then you got these things called backlinks, which are just votes from other sites. So here's an example of a backlink. See how this word is highlighted blue, and it'll take me somewhere? That's a backlink. So when you can get those on other sites, it'll help you out a lot. Like you put your business website or whatever in there, and it'll do that. So let's just show an example, like somebody in Darby, when they look up foundation repair, they're going to see these top three people, right? So if I just look up, let's say like Apex, he's all in red and yellow. Like if you're not one, two, or three, you're not really being displayed. Four doesn't cut it, right? And so that was kind of a game changer. So, I mean, I hope this stuff helped. If you guys want me to run your if you do have a map listing, I mean, you have to have a map listing, but if you do have one, just message me. Just send me a link of it, and I'll run it in this thing for you. Okay? All right, guys.